With all the activities of a busy family lifestyle, it can sometimes feel like you're constantly running on the clock. But when it comes to preparing a quick and easy family meal, it needn't be stressful. The more you worry about it, the more uptight you become. But it can be very enjoyable and so rewarding. For instance, by way of using a couple of simple ingredients that you have in your pantry, you can take these little cream of potatoes from the Little Potato Company and turn them into a delicious experience every night of the week without having to overthink it. And the natural buttery flavor can be prepared as simple as this on one night. Or, for more Asian-inspired, simply add some freshly diced ginger and garlic to a pan with butter. Then add a little sesame oil, teriyaki sauce, and soy sauce. Take your cooked little potatoes and toss them well. For a perfect Mexican-flavored side dish, add a good pinch of Mexican chili powder or taco seasoning, along with ground cumin, fresh coriander, and a squeeze of lime to the cooked little potatoes cut in half. For quick grilled little potatoes, use cold cooked little potatoes cut in half, then toss them in olive oil with a sprinkling of smoked paprika. Then grill. I like to then toss the cooked cream of potatoes in a bowl using 1 tablespoon of my favorite barbecue sauce, along with some diced green onions just before serving. A real family favorite, boil the creamers in salted water. Add 3 cloves of garlic and a 1/4 cup of finely diced onion. Drain, roughly mash, and add a good scoop of cream ricotta cheese. Add some grated Parmesan or Pecorino, or even your favorite cheddar. This makes a quick and easy smashed potato. Or you can always pick up one of these trays from the Little Potato Company. Microwave or roast, using the seasoning packages provided, and in less than 5 minutes, your potatoes are ready. Spend more of your time enjoying the meal and less time stressing.